He's gonna fuck it up. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh, nice. Woo.
Yeah. Okay.
Blaine, what do you have?
What?
What do you have?
Oar and an aux cord.
Rope and Lucas oil.
What are we doing?
Yeah, I gotta find some tires.
For Miata?
It's the one option.
For my Subaru, though.
I'm gonna follow you guys. Fucking Blaine with a boat stick or whatever. Blaine,
What?
it's winter.
I got you, man.
He buys a boat
Someone
stick.
understands.
Look at this. Blaine got a new car. It's pretty gay. There's his gay self.
That was Trump that fall.
Oh my God, it's like 2 degrees out, I swear. Oh, I'm done. What?
What is this?
Yeah, I have to
Get the mirrors off.
get the
buddy.
mirrors off. So we gotta put a seat in, put the door panels back on, put the mirrors on.
And then come back in.
Here, there. That's a little wheel. It should be good to go for tomorrow. The other mirror only has one bolt on it, so I had to drill the other two out, remember?
Oh, yeah, because there's no stuff. Well, that was probably helping you. I remember you talking about it.
So after fucking with it for 5 minutes, it doesn't go in like a normal plug, it goes in like that. And these 3 bolts go in the bottom of the door panel. Right there. You ain't see it. So that. Not doing shit as usual. Seat about to go in.
Damn done. Damn done. Damn done.
Did you find one?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh my God, that stinks. I don't even smell anything.
Dude, holy shit.
Holy shit, right.
Oh, there it is.
Come on, bro. Come on. Fucking something.
Like, what's the...
That angle.
Oh, dude, that sounds like fucking good.
Just grab this thing.
Get it out of the picture. Oh, we're gonna fucking burn it.
front of you, fucking idiot.
Oh shit! God damn! Oh my god!
Do it again. That's fun.
I love it.
Look at these fucking wheels, bro.
It's off. I get a hard deal.
What was that, Cody?
I don't know. That's bright though.
Look at this. Who thought of this deal? It's like,
Can you see?
Does it
yeah,
do
bro.
its own thing or?
Plug it in, jackass.
It's
Yeah.
fucking.
hey, we got heat again, boys. Look at that. That's so close. That much. Your hair's right there, Cody.
Yeah, it's stock. Dude, that looks so shiny. It's insane. Fuck you, bud. And they're dirty too. Like, you can see all the fingerprints, but man.
Here's a marker for every tail.
And some quick clean.
Yeah.
Oh.
I have like one bar.
Oh my god. Hold on. Alright, give them your fucking Coke can. This dumbass brings a can of Coke in here.
Huh?
This dumbass brings a can of Coke. Take it.
Take it.
We ain't got no cup holders.
I'll have a couple. Where you go?
Oh, you know?
You don't have to open it.
Where are we going first?
Well, I'm trying to get a address. I haven't got that far yet.
Well, like a Waffle House, something like that.
Well, I don't want to go like out of our way. You know what I mean? Oh, I do need to get gas. So if someone can find a address for TCS Motorsports, that'd be good.
Yeah, all the way down.
I found it right here. 940.
Okay. All right, never mind. We found it. We might have a problem.
What?
Man, the clutch is stiff as, or the. For some reason, I'm not getting any throttle.
What is it in gear?
It doesn't matter, it should be revving up. Alright. Yeah, I actually have throttle. Now I can actually fucking move. I'm over here pressing on the throttle. I'm like, god damn, that's awfully stiff.
I thought we were moving. I don't know.
I was
Wasn't
just
really paying
idle.
attention.
I wasn't like giving it gas at all. I think, no, fuck with my steering wheel. Alright.
Where to?
Oh shit.
What was that?
Throttle stuck wide open.
Shit.
You hear that?
It's
Having
stuck
to-
again?
Yeah, the throttle stuck wide open.
Oh shit. Fuck, dude.
Oh my god. The throttle's stuck wide open. Just dropped off the MR2 at, I don't know if you can see it, TCS Performance or Motorsport. Get the Gen 4 swap. Just double checking the key here.